ipapalibot namin kayo.
Curtains drifting, gentle breezes, sunlight pools across the floor. Every thought a secret thesis, scattering on open doors. Golden hours blur the scene, weightless hope in silver sheen.
Oo nga! Masarap na siya! Masarap siya. Legit na matcha. Kasi alam mo yung matcha na powder na nabibili lang?
Invite na content creator din to also share.
It's eating time, guys. Anong kakainin? Saan sila, kuya? Gutom ka na ba, sis? True! Some daming foods.
Sinabi ko parang
Paano ba pagkasyahin?
Ano nyo na lang?
Kuya! Go. Thank you. Kuya, nagdala-dala.
Kuya, ano nagyari?
Kuya, natanggal. Thank you so much. Hala, hindi na siya kasya. Ayan. Thank you so much. Ano yan, te? Mukbang. Mukbang. Bas nga, guys. Bas.
Thank you. Thanks for inviting.
Take na lang tayo ng seat, so may mga sopa tayo.
Tapos, tapos,
Kaya ba ito?
Ayan, we wanna do opening remarks with Mr. Franz.
Etong gabi na to is our way of showing our appreciation to everyone who continues to create, tell stories, and bring people together through your content. We at Mega World Capital Town Pampanga are looking forward to see Pampanga's content creator community grow bigger and stronger. So hopefully mag-enjoy po kayo tonight, and God bless. Thank you.
To stay with us tonight to attend this appreciation night for all of our content creators from Pampanga. No? So siguro and your presence really truly means a lot to the whole Capital Town family.
First of all, papakilala ko ulit. Ako si Gerald Loton from Pampanga, City of San Fernando. Kilala ko halos lahat sa inyo dito. Siyempre, as content creators, We are more than just storytellers. We are guardians of culture, protectors of memory, and voices of truth. Together, we protect. Together, we honor our kabalens through our content that is truly post-worthy. Once again, thank you very much po.
Si Ma'am Joyce and ako syempre. So kami ay family. So para kami naging family. So si Ma'am Joyce is yung aming eldest. And yung asawa niya si Sir Louis, siya naman ang brother-in-law ko. So sa mga nagtatanong, hindi magawa natin. So V stands for values or vision. Yan. Uy, nakikinig. Sige ma'am, kaya mo yan, kaya mo yan. Ano yung nakapagpahikayat sa'yo to do vlogs?
Parang same lang din po kay CJ.
Walang same, dapat
Kasi diba, mahilig tayong kumain, nasa pagkabanan, diba? Tapos, ako,
like, subscribe, and share yung mga namin. So huwag po kayong kalimutan, let's go Marky. Yeah.
Then, ayan, di ba yung raffle tayo na gagawin? So, yung raffle natin is just very simple. So, one winner ng Jisoo Life Den and 2 pieces of Crocs gift cards plus 1 orange bucket gift card. So, yun, may isa yun. Mas madami siyang gift cards. Go! Naku, mainit. Perfect for summer next week. Jisoo Life and the Moment Group GC. May konting photo op lang din tayo.
What is your staff with the girl? Staff ng beauty girl. Sabihin nyo yung invite sa amin.
So, this lad. Ayan, Miss Ellie, congratulations! Good to hear that. Coming from one of the most known sa Pampanga, we're in Pampanga, di ba? Parang talking about humble beginnings, talking about obstacles, ganyan.
Venue which is Mega World Capital ng Pampanga. Okay, so quick icebreaker lang. The music and language knowledge. So I think we have an instructions page. So meron pong audio clip, I think it's 10 to 12 seconds. You need to identify. Sige po, it will depend sa song po na ipi-play natin. So dito po, wala na tayong sample. So this will be scored. Yung troll, meron lang din sumagot ng basher. But the correct answer is, we will only accept troll or trolls. Yes, for this one. Terabyte, no discount, no promo, straight payment, fully paid. Okay, 2 and 1, words up. Words up. Sige ba, sino po ang magbibigay ng clue? 1, let's go!
Facebook, Instagram,
Social media?
Okay, 1.
manood ng sine, mag-dinner,
Hobby?
throwback, flashback,
Facebook? Year-end? Video dun sa pangatlo?
sine, dinner,
Go. Date.
date,
Ano?
hotel,
Staycation?
Coco, green,
Sorry?
mag-green,
Boyfriend, girlfriend?
60 minutes starts now. 60 seconds, sorry. 60 seconds. Okay. Team Manyaman, sige. First to... Team Manyaman, first to... Samboy. Okay, beginners. 29. Okay. Diba? We have 15 seconds left. Five, four, three, two, and one. Time's up. Sorry po. Hands up na, hands up. Okay na po yan. Hands up. Let's see. Okay. Nagawa ba? Sige po, sir. Dito po tayo sa harap. Okay, palakpakan niyo naman. Ano na guys? Yung mga nag-try. Palakpakan naman. Okay, let's judge. First to finish is Team Manyaman. Si Miss Jessa. Nauubos yung energy na sa kanila talaga. Okay, and then yung next na tapos is si Fantastic Trio. Si Miss Sam. And then si Fantastic Trio. And then... dito. Okay, so... Ulit. So, Team Manyaman, Beginners, Unsong, Fantastic Trio. Concert pala niya. Ano pa ba tayo? Ano ba? Party ng Christmas party? Hindi! Okay. Eh, pwede mag-score muna po tayo. Mag-score muna tayo. Okay. Boards up, everyone. Boards up. Okay. Kapiling. Walan. Okay. So, I think everybody gets 2 points for this round. So, pagkagaling-galing mo kay